Okay, this is Chris from the Tech Basement, coming to you again from the VR room. We are going to be looking at Don't Knock Twice. It looks like it's really scary. I want to see if it's going to scare me or not. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube jump on this one, and I'm not much of a jumper, believe it or not. When we did it, things like that, it did give me a little bit, but not quite so much as my daughter, as you saw in that video. If you're interested in seeing that, go into my logs there and look at that one and let me know what you think. Well, with all that being said, let's just jump right into this and let's get rolling. Okay, aim at whatever and press hold the touchpad to begin teleport. Oh, okay, so it's like any other teleporting in any other game. Alright. Alright, fantastic. Whoa, I'm right on top of that. The graphics are pretty good. I like them. It is pretty spooky, but we'll see about that. Let's see here. What did that just do? Okay. One knock to wake her from her bed. Twice to raise her from the dead. And while reading that, I missed something. Where? Okay. I did. Okay. Wee bit of a delay there. Okay. By the way, this is the demo. This is not the full version. So... Okay. Leave the doors open. Don't close the doors. Okay. How do I put that in my pocket? Alright. Oh, it's now in your pocket. You can grab it anytime. That's nice. Alright, well, what doors are we talking about here? Okay. This is interesting. It's not a really fast-moving game, it looks like. When I teleport, it just gradually brings me into that space. So, I'm not sure exactly... yeah. Pick up the candlestick to illuminate your way. I don't need no stinking candlestick. Okay. What do we have here? Okay. Huh. My pocket sticks out a lot further than I expected. Okay. Decorating book. Okay. Patience. Light the candle in the fire. Okay. Alright. Where's the window? Someone's knocking at a window. Let's see if I can get scared. Yeah. Okay, what was that? Alright, whatever. It's not a door. Oh man, I am... Whoa, that's... heating up my butt, I guess. Alright, well... What do we got here? Can't grab that. I have a feeling something's gonna jump out at me and I'm gonna lose all my cool. 'Cause I am getting goosebumps already. This is pretty cool. Can I pick any of this up? Oh, I can use it as a weapon. What do we got here? Another decorating book. Okay. Said don't leave the door open, but I'm gonna explore first. I don't want anything sneaking up behind me, if you know what I mean. Yeah, what do you want? Use the axe on the wall to destroy the door. I am not ready to do that yet. Pushy, pushy, pushy. Pills. What's this, a mirror? Alright, I suppose. Like I said, I've watched a couple of videos. I know that there's gonna be something that's gonna jump out at me when I mean, I gotta really hang on to this? Oh, come on. Like I said, I know something's gonna jump out there, but how freaky looking is it gonna be? Ah, you're pretty looking. Yes, you are.
New email.
Oh, new email. Great. Now what do I put down? Don't want to really put that down. Use the axe on the wall to destroy... Yeah. I just met her. X isn't working. Find another way to break the door. Alright. Like I said, I did watch a couple of the things. Ah, damn. You gotta actually keep this depressed. Oh, I found a glitch in the game. Cool. Alright, yes, I know. Take this. Press trigger to spray. Woohoo! Alright. I got like a song going here with that. This. Combine the hairspray and the candle flame to create a flamethrower. Burn the door. Yay. Things we are... Okay. I'm gonna put this down. This thing just doesn't like staying still. There we go. And this is supposed to destroy the door. Whoa, Jesus! That is not cool. Alright. That was not cool. I saw that in the demo, this is a good game. This is a really good game. Oh man. Okay. All right. That's a pretty short demo, but I have to say, I watched some of this stuff and I knew that was going to happen, but I was so involved in what I was doing. You saw it. I jumped. Okay. That's all there's to it. If you want to see more things like this, please hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments area what you want to see. If you want to see me jump a lot more like that, just let me know and I'll see what I can find for that. If you have any suggestions, like I said, comment in the comments area and hit the subscription little icon, the notification icon to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching, and this is Chris out.